How do you buy the rental property? You need to pick one place. If possible, connect with other rental property owners in your area.
Biggerpockets is not your average online real estate platform. It's a thriving community that revolves around the exciting world of real estate investing. With a staggering 1.6 million members and counting, Biggerpockets is a social network, a marketplace, and an educational hub all rolled into one. Not only that, but it offers a real estate social platform that shares tips and tricks to people who are interested in venturing into the world of real estate. But is it giving credible and reliable information to people? Is Biggerpockets telling the truth about real estate investing? In this video, I will discuss one of the most controversial questions ever asked. I'll reveal whether their content holds up to scrutiny, backed by credible sources and industry expertise. If you're now ready, let's start with the most common investing strategy. Number 1. Long-term rentals. When it comes to long-term rentals, you have a couple of choices. Yeah, I'm not the only one who says that. You know who else? Biggerpockets. You can start with a single-family home where you'll have one tenant or family occupying the property. Alternatively, you can explore multi-family properties which offer the opportunity to have multiple tenants under one roof. If I may be frank with you, investing in long-term rental properties comes with a host of advantages. First, there are attractive tax benefits. As a rental property investor, you can deduct expenses like property taxes, mortgage interest, and repairs, reducing your taxable income. This means more money in your pocket come tax season. Financing options are also abundant for long-term rentals. Traditional mortgages, private loans, and partnerships make it easier to acquire these types of properties due to their popularity and widespread availability. Of course, one of the biggest advantages of long-term rentals is the steady cash flow they provide. Monthly rent payments offer a reliable income stream that allows you to build wealth over time and create a passive income source. Long-term rentals are generally easier to manage compared to short-term rentals, providing you with peace of mind and consistent returns. Number 2. House hacking. Biggerpockets claims that this method is like hacking into the real estate game and turning your own home into a money-making machine. Yeah, I know, sounds exciting, right? To give you an idea, house hacking is all about utilizing the extra space in your home to generate rental income. Whether you have an extra room, a renovated basement, or live in a duplex, you can start earning some serious cash without breaking the bank. The best part is that since you already own the property, the upfront costs are minimal. If any, it's a win-win situation. Of course, being a landlord comes with responsibilities. Thorough tenant screening is crucial, especially because you'll be living with or close to your tenants. Biggerpockets suggests taking the time to research rental rates in your area, consider your mortgage payment, and account for additional expenses like renter's insurance and utility bills. You might even need to spruce up your space to make it tenant ready. Renting part of your home not only brings in passive income, but also gives you hands-on experience as a landlord. This experience will prove invaluable if you decide to dive into larger real estate investments down the road. For this one, this real estate investing social network is talking some sense. Now, I want you to keep your eyes peeled because in a minute, you'll be blown away. Is Biggerpockets really telling the truth about real estate investing? But before that, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Help us spread this to more people by sharing it to others. Number 3. Short-term rentals. Here's another way Biggerpockets is telling us about starting in real estate investing. Short-term rentals come with a range of benefits that make them an attractive investment option. Think of platforms such as Airbnb or VRBO. They offer the potential for higher rental income compared to long-term rentals. Since these properties are rented out on a nightly basis, you can charge higher rates per night, resulting in greater cash flow. This can be especially lucrative if you have a well-located, desirable property. Flexibility is another advantage of short-term rentals. Not only that, you can choose when to rent out your property and when to use it for personal purposes. This is particularly advantageous for vacation properties or second homes, as you can enjoy them during your preferred times and generate income when you're not using them. When it comes to taxes, these can offer some advantages as well. You can potentially deduct expenses related to the property and benefit from depreciation, which can lower your taxable income. However, Biggerpockets warns everyone to be aware of the potential drawbacks of short-term rentals. Maintenance costs tend to be higher due to the frequent cleaning, repairs, and replacements required. The higher turnover rates can also result in more wear and tear on the property, further increasing long-term maintenance expenses. Another consideration is seasonality. Short-term rentals are often subject to fluctuations in demand based on the time of year and location. This can impact cash flow and occupancy rates, making it harder to predict and plan. Number 4. Real estate crowdfunding. Biggerpockets says that real estate crowdfunding is a popular investment option in the real estate market, allowing multiple individuals to pool their funds together to purchase properties. And that's precisely true because with the global real estate crowdfunding market reaching a staggering $10.78 billion in 2023, it's clear that this investment avenue is gaining traction. One of the primary advantages of real estate crowdfunding is the access it provides to a diverse range of properties. In the past, exclusive commercial real estate or niche residential properties were limited to a select few wealthy and well-connected investors. Crowdfunding opens up opportunities for more people to include these properties in their investment portfolios, offering greater exposure and potential returns. Diversification is another key benefit of real estate crowdfunding. Similar to owning stocks, investing in a single property can come with significant risks. Spreading your funds across multiple investments through crowdfunding can reduce your exposure to any single property and mitigate potential losses. But hey, note that real estate crowdfunding is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Investments made through crowdfunding are typically long-term commitments with recommended minimum time horizons ranging from 5 years and beyond. As an investor, you need to remember that you relinquish control over the investments, which may be subject to management and advisory fees. Number 5. REITs. Perhaps one of the investments Biggerpockets wants us to ride on is the REITs. Real estate investment trusts, also called REITs, provide an affordable and passive approach to enter the world of real estate investing. These companies finance, own, and operate income-producing properties and other real estate assets. REITs often focus on specific property types such as residential, industrial, multi-use, retail, or office spaces, and can be easily bought and sold through brokerage accounts. In the United States alone, REITs collectively own over $3.5 trillion in gross real estate assets, with more than 200 publicly traded REITs available, many of which have share prices under $100. They offer accessibility to a wide range of investors. To maintain their tax-advantaged status, REITs are required to distribute at least 90% of their earnings as dividends, which can result in significant income for investors. I'm not kidding when I say that a primary edge of investing in REITs is their liquidity. Being traded on major stock exchanges, REIT shares can be bought and sold easily, providing investors with flexibility and access to capital. And that's not it, because REITs offer attractive dividend yields, making them an appealing source of regular income. Number 6. Join a team. Biggerpockets also advocates that joining a team can be a game changer for your success. It's rare to find a successful investor who goes at it alone, and that's why you shouldn't either. Becoming part of a team, you gain the opportunity to collaborate with experts in the field, allowing you to ask questions, share knowledge, and gain invaluable on-the-job experience. The collective expertise and support of your team members will empower you to navigate challenges, make informed decisions, and maximize your investment returns. As you gain experience and confidence through team collaboration, you may eventually be ready to spearhead your own fix and flip projects or take on larger investments as an experienced investor. Remember, the real estate investment community is filled with supportive forums and platforms where you can seek guidance, share insights, and connect with fellow investors. Number 7. The Smarter Method. The Smarter Method from Biggerpockets is your roadmap to real estate investing success. With its integrated approach, Smarter helps you clarify your investment strategy, find lucrative markets, acquire and analyze deals, prepare properties for tenants, track your investments, explore exit strategies, and continue learning and growing. By working smarter, not harder, you can curate your educational ecosystem and build a strong professional network to achieve financial freedom. If you're a beginner or experienced investor, the Smarter Method guides you through each step of the investment journey. I recommend embracing the simplicity and power of Smarter to become a successful real estate investor and repeat your strategies for long-term growth. Get ready to work smarter and embark on your path to financial success in real estate. So, is Biggerpockets telling the truth about real estate investing? Well, Biggerpockets is a trustworthy source for real estate investing information. Their content is backed by credible sources, and their reputation has been steadily growing due to the quality of their resources. From bigger guides to advanced strategies, Biggerpockets provides top-notch content that resonates with investors at all levels. What about you? Do you think Biggerpockets is telling the truth about real estate investing? I'd love to read your comments and get your feedback. As always, make sure to watch our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you want to know 5 important lessons on real estate investing, watch this video next where you'll get the full scoop. We'll see you in the next one.